Okay. Today's question on Bhaiya Dooj is competition, having a competition fair, or we should have no competition? This is the first question. Okay, I want Ayush to answer this, then Rhythm, and then Arav. Ayush, do you think it is fair to have competitions?
Yes.
Yes, what? You can't answer in just one monosyllables. I've told you that before. What do you mean, yes? Give me a reason. Why should we have competitions? First, you said, yes, we should have competitions. Now, give me the reason why.
To test our abilities.
Wonderful. To test individual abilities, shall I say?
Yes.
Wonderful. Okay, very good. Rhythm, the same question. Do you think we should have competitions?
Yeah.
Okay, no monosyllables, Rhythm. I want a reason.
We should have competitions because so that to check our level and to work upon that goal.
Wonderful. Very good. Now see the two words. The first word is abilities, and the second word that Rhythm said was level. Can anybody explain to me, Rhythm? Can you explain the meaning of level to me? I didn't understand. What is the meaning of level?
A place that where we stand.
Okay. So
in a
you
competition
are... Okay. Yes, beta, continue.
In a competition or in some other place that we take position in that.
Like in athletics, we have, in sports, we have first, second, third, cardinal and ordinal numbers. You all know it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Ayush said, yes, we must have competitions. He used the word abilities. Wonderful. Rhythm said, yes, again. So, we all are all for the topic. This is a debate. Okay. And you said we come to know at which level we stand. Wonderful. Thank you, Rhythm. Thank you, Ayush. Arav.
Ma'am, I think competition should be held.
Very good.
It is to check ourselves and
check ourselves in which way? Like I want words like abilities, at what level we stand, at what position we are coming. I want a few more answers before I speak. Yes, you've got time. Anybody else would like to speak? Most welcome. Few more words. When there is a competition, what happens? Do you stand alone? What happens?
there are many competitors.
Wonderful. So that is the correct word. There are many competitors, and you have to see what Rhythm said. I'm trying now to explain that further. That level that she said, when we stand alone, we all think ourselves, oh, we are good, or we can't be better. But when we stand on a stage, on a platform, and
We
there
are
are other...
compared.
Yes, fantastic. So all three of you actually deserve a prize for this. Okay. So one chocolate more you all will get with the prize for the Diwali. We are compared. We might be good. We are good, but somebody might be
Best.
first, before
Better.
best, better. And then, of course, there will be somebody who is the
Best.
So then when there is good, better, best, Ayush, this question is for you. When there is good, better, best, how can everybody be given the same prize? Now I will ask you this question again. Ayush, do you think everybody now, this time I'm being a little more fairer, that is. I'm going to tabulate both the sheets, both the judges. Last time I actually didn't do that for the Dashera. I just gave everybody similar and I gave you all titles based on the remarks. You all saw the titles. Did you all open the PDFs? Ayush, I love you for it. Did you open? What did you get? Do you all remember the titles you all got? So I'm working hard and you all are not even looking at it. Arav, do you
Saw
remember?
it, but I don't remember.
Wonderful. And what you forget? What you
The
don't
things you don't
bother to remember. So please start bothering. Rhythm, do you remember what you got as Ram for the Shera? Arav, do you remember?
No, ma'am, I didn't get that.
Okay. I had even sent the results on the group. I request all of you to kindly open the PDFs because I make it with a lot of care, only to enhance your English, not only spoken English, overall your language. Is it clear to all of you? So now Ayush will answer this question. Ayush, do you think in a competition, similar prizes or the same prizes should be given to each competitor? Okay. What is this? I don't understand.
No,
Okay, no. Why? Why, darling?
because everybody has individually worked hard.
And there will be somebody who is good, somebody who will be a little better, who's worked a little more hard, and somebody who's has really practiced, looked at all the criterias for the competition, and who obviously will be the best. So what should our aim be, beta, all of us? Rhythm? What should our aim be?
To be the
To
best.
Okay, Rhythm, what should we do to be the best? Rhythm?
work hard upon that thing.
Upon our weaknesses
Yeah.
and to build upon our strengths. Is it clear? And
Yes,
now I would like all the three of you to know that we have to build upon our pronunciation. And above all, what do you think we should build upon? Our confidence. Our confidence. Now, wherever you all have come up and down, it will be because of the confidence level. And of course, each word, there should be clarity, there should be a lot of practice, and we must work upon that. So we'll wait for the results till evening. Just give me some more time. It was Diwali. So obviously the judges were also a little busy, and that is why the results have been delayed. But this time you all will be getting your prizes according to what your fill in the blanks, please.
What your
Position.
Wonderful. What your position or what your achievement in that criteria of competition will be. Rhythm, do you think we are fair? Rhythm?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But do you think it is fair that I should be giving this time according to what the position should be?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Thank you so much. And now, Ayush, are you with me in realizing that, yes, we must work hard in a competition?
yes.
Great. So thank you so much and God bless you all.